Hey, hi everyone. So, welcome to the Success Story series, and today we have Shaurya, who is our D2O scholar as well as who has cleared the LEED associate examination. So, this series we started long back, but today we thought like let's do physical one-to-one, and so I invited Shaurya to my office, and now we are doing recording this video of Success Story series in our office only. So, hi Shaurya, how are you?
I'm good, sir. Thank you so much.
So, Shaurya, the people who are watching our video, watching our success story, they want to know about yourself because you are a very active member of D2O Learning. So, can you just share a brief about yourself?
Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to introduce. Sir, telling about myself, being an engineering professional and also in the business development, I always interested in promoting and I'm always interested in getting the knowledge of the technical things and same technical things, technologies, innovative technologies. I like to promote in the market as well. Today in the world is like, sir, as we already know, that the building sector is consuming most of the resources of our planet.
True.
So I was being a mechanical engineer, and initially I was in HVAC industry.
Mm-hmm.
So I wanted to get myself into kind of an building sector where
Okay.
I could gives the innovative solutions which can be of help to the environment. Since we know that the building sector consumes maximum resources of the planet, like the energy, water, so there is a need for reducing the consumption of energy, water in the building sector.
Right.
It's the need of the future, and from last 10 years, I was into the radiant cooling and heating solutions for the buildings. So it's a technology for basically reducing the energy load, HVAC load of the buildings. So since we are developing ourselves, we are developing the buildings accordingly to develop ourselves as an individual.
True.
How we can develop new technologies, innovative strategies for the buildings. How we can implement the strategies which consumes less energy, less water, and we know that there is a term green building. So ultimately, all these technologies are giving the credits of green building to any building.
Right.
So that was the thing I wanted to enhance my knowledge. At the same time, wanted the credentials from some recognized organizations as well.
Mm-hmm.
So we all know about LEED. So from the USGBC, so wanted to get recognized from a organization which is internationally recognized.
Right.
So that's why I wanted a credential of LEED Green Associate. It's the starting platform for credentials. Of course, want to become something which
Great.
Again I can develop myself, where I can jump from Green Associate to LEED AP.
Right.
So that's
I think Shaurya, you have a great experience because I think because as we had a discussion, you are expert of radiant and the geothermal also, so you're doing very well. And I believe the LEED associate will definitely help you. You have now cleared the concepts of the green building and all. So thank you so much for sharing about yourself. I have my next question is because you came as a just to have an idea about the LEED associate and you joined our community. So how was your experience after joining our program, joining our community? So if you can just share some insights on it, because our viewers wants to know D2O learning. They have seen a D2O learning and all, but they are not aware how the experience it is if once they become a part of our community. So if you can share some highlights on that part.
Sir, I'm very much satisfied with what decision I took at that time. I knew about the D2O team before joining the D2O learning community.
Okay.
I got also the reference from a few of my friends because I was discussing with them about the LEED AP, LEED GA. Wanted I have discussed with my friends I want some course so that it will be easier for me to clear the examination.
Okay.
So they also recommended me about the D2O. also I was following Ashu sir, Anuj sir. I was following you.
Right.
I was following Yashji also.
Okay.
So somewhere I also wanted to get connected with the D2O team.
Mm-hmm.
So I think once I joined the D2O learning community, it's of course I got the course for the preparation of LEED GA exam.
Right.
But parallelly, I also got connected to a very well passionate team of D2O, which wants to which are always like passionate about the green buildings.
Right.
So it's always like during my learning of that during the course, it always helped me like by discussing even one-to-one. I could discuss with the team.
Right.
Not only I was preparing the course, not only I was looking after the videos, but also at the same time I was easily communicating with the team members so that my doubts could be cleared at the same time.
Right.
So that's
you are satisfied with our deliverables and all.
Yeah, I was very much satisfied with the way we are. With the way D2O is like educating the students or the building professionals.
And how was your experience with our inner circle call that we regularly do, like monthly? I think you have attended various inner circle calls. So
I think that is a very good thing because it keeps the people active.
True.
And
that's the main objective of those calls.
Yes, definitely. And the timely through those meetings, we could exchange our ideas, exchange our thoughts. If any feedback is required from somebody, like in a week's time, that can be shared.
Okay.
So that is a good thing that we are keeping all the things parallel. Right. We are doing all the seminars, webinars. We are discussing with the teams, one-to-one communications. Of course, the platform of learning community itself, it is very much equipped with all the things.
Right.
Like the feedbacks, queries, question and answers, all can be done at the same time during the course.
Great. Thank you so much, Shaurya, for sharing this feedback. And I request all the viewers, if you're planning to do this LEED Associate and any of the program which is in our membership and all, please join our community and you will get to know a lot of things. Shaurya, my next question is because you have given this examination first time on the Prometric platform, right? So how was your experience with the examinations? Did you go to the Prometric center or it was a home-based examination? How was it? Because user wants to know, sometimes they face the challenges and issues. So did you face also any challenge during the exam?
So I wanted to go for Prometric center always because I had a fear that at home, if you are giving the examination, some disturbances can happen. Some things are there, you cannot avoid those things. Like if a power breakdown is there, or anything like that can happen. If somebody rings the bell of your door, in between, your concentration can disturb. Like anything such can happen. But that's why I wanted to go at the Prometric center. Because that would make me confident that nothing is going to disturb me. My full concentration will be on the paper. So that's why I think I chose for Prometric center.
And did you face any challenge in the examination?
No, the center was very well equipped and it was a very silent environment. I think the center was very well maintained and you didn't feel like you will be totally into the paper at that time. You don't get any disturbance. Environment was good. The building was good, easy to locate, and like it was like easy. You can easily approach that center. It has like connections with all the metros, autos, taxis, everything. So the centers are very well located and very well maintained. The people there, examinator and all the people, they were very well communicated about the things. So
great. I think so. The people who are watching this video, so if you are also planning to give this examination, either LEED GA, LEED AP, so you can plan to go to the Prometric center or either you can give from your home. But as Shaurya wants to be a calm environment and should not face any problem, so he choose that Prometric center, but you can do from your home also. So that's your choice. But yes, thank you, Shaurya, for sharing this feedback. My next question is, because a lot of people who are watching this might be from different domains. Some people from building environment, some architects, some engineers and all. So I just wanted to understand from you, like as you are also engineer, so you selected this LEED. So what's your future plans to do, and where do you see later stage, like in this sustainability domain?
Sir, as I said earlier also that I want to develop my skills in such a way that it will be easier for me to develop new solutions,
Mhm.
innovative solutions for the clients who are coming up with their new buildings.
Okay.
And in this, of course, you need to get at least some basics of the green buildings,
Mhm.
green building sector. So that's why I opted for the certifications, credentials also.
Okay.
I think it's a kind of an ocean of thoughts when it comes to green buildings, because there is no particular book. I mean, there is no book, no limited thoughts, no limited strategies for any green building. There can be
Agree.
infinite number of thoughts, infinite number of solutions.
Mhm.
So what I think that there's a great future for the professionals who are coming up for green building development.
True.
So what I see that being already started in the same line. So I think that maybe few years I will be able to develop some new solutions which will help in all the energy consumption of the building, or
Okay.
the water consumption of the building, reducing the waste of the created by the buildings.
Mhm.
So that's what I think, and maybe at one day I would be also kind of a like solution giver or a consultant kind of thing, where I could give
Nice.
such kind of solutions to the building,
Super.
new building comers.
So you're already working in a field called radiant and the geothermal. So definitely you are already in the right track, where these are the solutions which now people are opting instead of regular HVAC system and all. These are not in a kind technologies that you are working on. So definitely the sustainability part will definitely help you to build your career ahead. Super. So my last question will be: would you recommend our viewers or the users for D2O learning? Like, how is your main points? What are the three? If I ask you three major key takeaways or key benefits which you have got from this community from our side, if you want to share with the people.
First is the content of the course.
Okay.
It's very easy to be communicated to, like the language used in the course, the content used in the course. Those are all very like easy to understand.
Okay.
So first is the content. Second, I would say connectivity, networking. That platform is made in such a way that it's very easy to communicate to
the community, the
to
content community.
Yes.
And third one,
content, community, and third, I would say the competency.
Okay.
There are the question and answers which are given in the mock test. I think those questions, I think 70 to 80% questions are there to come in the exams as well.
Oh, nice.
If given in the mock questions. And also, it's good thing that like me, when I gave the paper, after the paper, the D2O asked me like if what, or like if any changes required in that mock test, if new questions, if you think any new questions are there which can be added in the mock test.
Right.
So it's a good thing that you are given an opportunity also to edit the mock test which are provided in the platform.
Absolutely. Because what happens, the people reach out to us, they ask you, Anuj, can we have a last year question papers? Okay. But the question papers which we have added, those are only the recent papers from the, because we always take, because our D2O scholars clear the exemptions, so they also share the feedback. These kind of questions came. So we take those things and we upload it, we add it in our platform.
So that keeps I think the mock test which you will get in the course, that keeps the test very much updated.
Right.
As per the last, whatever the last paper has been. So that's a good thing. So I think content, connectivity, community, and competency.
Super. 3C.
3 C's for from my side.
Super, Shaurya. Thank you so much for sharing this thing. And I think the people, if you have watched the whole part of this video, I would highly recommend to connect with Shaurya. If you're looking to work on the radiant and the geothermal part, so he is the expert of that. And now working on the sustainability part as well. And if you're ready to join our community, just go to the d2learning.com. You can explore our membership, silver, gold, platinum. Platinum is highly recommended if you see yourself in a long-term drive towards sustainability and those things. But we are now working on the different other areas as well, apart from sustainability, which is leadership, growth, mindset, and different other things. So we will be creating more content, more community-oriented programs on that. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to see you in the next one. Thank you. Thank you, Shaurya.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.